My name is Mutra Enoch, and we are going to revise together rational numbers. So what you should understand is that rational numbers, these are numbers that can be expressed in a fraction or in a form of a over b. And these same rational numbers, they can be represented or denoted in form of a what? Decimal. And we have two types of decimal. We have terminating decimals, also what? Repeating decimals. So what you should bear in mind is that for terminating decimal, let's say for instance, if you divide 1 over 2, you are going to get 0.5. So this is the terminating decimal. Now for repeating decimal, let's say for instance, like this number. This is what we call the repeating decimal. Or when you divide 1 over 3, you are going to get 0.3333. Repeating 3s like that. So these are what we call repeating decimals. Now, we are going to focus much on answering the same question that comes under rational numbers. So the first question reads, express each of the following repeating decimals below in the form of a over b, where a and b are integers. So we have 0.4 with a bar there. So what you're going to do, you write, that is a, we have 0.4 with a bar. So what you are going to do, first step is that you let the same given decimal number to x. So I'll say let x is equals to 0.4 with a bar. From there, we are going to make this as your equation 1. So I'll say this is my equation 1. So equation 1. So from there, what are you going to do? Second step is to multiply the same given what? The same function or equation that you have made by what? By 10. Simply because you want to move this point to the other side. So I'll say multiply equation 1 by 10. Both sides. So that is x is equals to 0.4. I should multiply it by what? By 10. So when I multiply 10 times x, that is 10x. 10 times 0.4, I'm going to get 4.4 with a bar. So this value that you have collected, or the reason why you are adding 4.4 with a bar, because these numbers are repeating themselves. So what you are going to do, you are going now to get this new equation that you have obtained, make it as equation what? Equation 2. So I'll say equation 2. So from there now, you subtract equation 1 from 2. So I'll say subtract equation 1 from equation 2. That simply means I'm going to subtract 10x minus x. That is 10x minus x is equals to 4.4. 4 with a bar minus 0.4 with a bar. So that is 9x minus x. You are going to remain with 9x. This is 10x minus x, which is 9x, is equals to, you are subtracting, so you are going to remain with 4.0. That is 4 minus 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 0 that is 4. Divide by what? 9 over 9. So your final answer, that is 4 over 9. This simply means that you have expressed your answer in a form of a over b as a fraction. Like I said at first to say, rational numbers, these are numbers that can be expressed in form of a what? A fraction, that is a over b. So we can now proceed to the second one.